Hi guys, my name is Omboy and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing this look. It's a natural everyday look and I hope you enjoy the video and learn something. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. So let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Hydrating primer. And then next I'm gonna be using the Luxe bronze shimmer stick to add a glow to my skin. And I normally highlight the highest points of my skin, my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, and this part right here under my chin, on my chin, sorry, and just use my fingers to blend all that out. Can you all see how my skin is glowing? This bronze stick just gives a really nice shimmer on my face and I just love it. So once I've done this, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my foundation, and in today's video I'm gonna be using my Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade I'm gonna be using the shade Carob. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and use that to just first apply the foundation. I do this so that I don't use a lot of product on my skin. So once I've blended it out, I'm able to know which parts I should add more I should add foundation. And I would definitely advise you to do the same, because this way you don't use a lot of product and you don't struggle while blending the product out on your skin. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend everything out. So it's just pat as I blend. Definitely advise you to use when you're using a beauty blender to blend out foundation on your skin or any liquid product on your skin, make sure that it's always damp for you to get a flawless finish. You could also use a foundation brush to blend out the foundation on your skin as well. I've been loving so much blending out foundation on my skin using a beauty blender. That's why I'm using a beauty blender today.
I'm really sorry guys, I had to do a voiceover from here on because there was so much noise coming from the background and I just couldn't edit it out. So what I'm doing is warming up my face, and I do that by using a bronzer. I'm using the Makeup Academy bronzer. It's the Luxe range. I'm gonna link the shop where I get the or the Makeup Academy products from here in Kenya. So just warm up my cheekbones, my forehead, and also my jawline, and then use some of that product to also warm up my eyelids to create an illusion that I'm wearing some eyeshadow. And also it helps with ensuring that during the day my eyelids don't form any creases because of any foundation or concealer that had gone on there. And then next I'm gonna use the Masquarade mini palette It's an eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use that orange shade as a blush on my skin. And I definitely use a lot of product, guys. You can see how much product that was. I look too orange. But don't worry, guys. I'm gonna show you how I try to get rid of some of that excess product. Oh, that is definitely too much. What? So I take a powder brush, ensuring that it has some product on it, and just blend that on my skin. And you can see how that blended out nicely. I'm gonna take a beauty blender, and this is a beauty blender I use to blend out my foundation with, and blend everything out, especially the highlights, so that you look like you're glowing from within your skin. You don't want it to be too harsh,